Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to accept a delegate invitation on the X app for PC using the brand new update. If someone has added you as a delegate to manage their X account, there's a quick way to review and accept that invite. So, let's walk through it step by step. First, open the X app on your computer. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen and click on the icon that says More. This is the menu where you'll find most of your advanced settings and account tools. Next, scroll down and choose Settings and Privacy. This is where all your account controls live. Inside this section, click on Security and Account Access. This is the part of X that manages your logins, connected devices, and now your delegate permissions. From there, find the option that says Delegate. When you click on it, you'll see a page showing any accounts that have delegated access to you. Now, click on Accounts Delegated to You. This is the exact spot where invitation requests appear. Under Pending Invites, you'll notice the X account or accounts that have invited you to join as a delegate. These will list the username or handle of the person who granted you access. All you have to do here is review the invite and decide if you'd like to accept it. When you're ready, click the Accept option. It looks like a small tick mark. Once you do, your access to the delegated account will be activated right away, and you'll be able to perform the tasks that have been shared with you. And that's it. You've officially accepted a delegate invitation on X using the updated PC interface. It's a quick process once you know where to look, and it helps teams and creators manage their accounts more efficiently. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to stay tuned for more step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching.